Hey everyone, welcome back to TechSolutionZ. Today, we're diving into one of the most trusted tools for online privacy, Tor Browser. And the latest release, Tor Browser 15.0, has just arrived, based on the brand new Firefox ESR series. Let's take a detailed look at what's new, what's improved, and why this version matters if you care about anonymity and security online. Tor Browser, as most of you know, is designed for anonymous web browsing. It works by routing your internet traffic through the Tor network, which consists of thousands of volunteer-run servers around the world. This process bounces your connection several times before reaching the destination site, making it nearly impossible for anyone, including your ISP, government, or websites, to trace your activity back to you. Now, with Tor Browser 15.0, the developers have moved to the Firefox 140 ESR base, which brings a ton of under-the-hood improvements, better performance, enhanced memory management, and more security patches from Mozilla's latest codebase. That means a smoother browsing experience while still maintaining the rock-solid anonymity Tor is known for. Another important change is the updated Connection Wizard. If you've ever had trouble connecting to the Tor network, you'll notice the setup is now simpler and more reliable. It automatically detects connection issues and helps you configure bridges, which are special entry points that help bypass censorship in regions where Tor is blocked. On the design side, Tor Browser 15.0 continues to refine its interface to align with Firefox's newer look. Tabs and menus feel more polished and responsive, but under the surface, the most valuable work is in the privacy enhancements, constant updates to HTTPS-only mode, smarter tracking protection, and tighter sandboxing for web content to reduce the impact of potential exploits. Of course, all built-in extensions like HTTPS Everywhere and NoScript remain integral to the Tor experience, helping you control what runs in your browser and ensuring your connection stays encrypted wherever possible. One of the big highlights in this release is improved fingerprinting resistance. Fingerprinting is a method websites use to identify you by collecting information like your screen size, system fonts, and browser behavior. The new Tor browser strengthens its defenses against these techniques, making it harder for trackers to build a unique profile of you, even if you don't use cookies or logins. For those using Tor on Linux, Windows, or Mac OS, version 15.0 is available for download directly from torproject.org, and it's also rolling out to Android devices soon. Linux users will especially appreciate how stable and lightweight it feels compared to earlier versions. So, in summary, Tor Browser 15.0 isn't just another update, it's a major refresh built on Firefox 140 ESR with better anonymity protection, performance improvements, and usability tweaks that make privacy accessible to everyone. If you want to stay anonymous online, protect your identity from trackers, or bypass censorship safely, Tor Browser remains one of the most reliable tools you can use in 2025. Thanks for watching. If you found this video useful, hit the like button, subscribe to TechSolutionZ, and stay tuned for more deep dives into privacy tools and open source software.